YAML. sklearn Gaussian process kernel's white kernel. Description: the white kernel, also known as a noise kernel, is a stationary kernel that represents purely independent noise. It is commonly used to model measurement noise or irreducible uncertainty in a Gaussian process GP model. The white kernel assumes that each data point is independent of all other data points, meaning there's no correlation between them. Inputs: X. The input data, typically a 2D array with each row representing a data point and each column representing a feature. Y. The output data, a 1D array representing the target values corresponding to the input data points. Outputs: K. The covariance matrix, a square matrix with dimensions equal to the number of data points. Each element key, J, represents the covariance between data points I and J. Coriag, a 1D array containing the diagonal elements of the covariance matrix. These represent the variances of individual data points. Steps: calculate the covariance between each pair of data points using the white kernel function. Construct the covariance matrix K based on the calculated covariances. Extract the diagonal elements of K to obtain the variances of individual data points. Metrics: mean squared error MSE measures the average squared difference between the predicted values and the actual values. R squared indicates the proportion of variance in the target variable that is explained by K model. Visualization plots: scatter plot visualizes the relationship between the input data and the output data, with the predicted values overlaid. Covariance matrix plot displays the covariance matrix K, highlighting the independence of data points. Fine-tune parameters: noise level, a positive value that controls the magnitude of the noise variance. Increasing the noise level increases the level of randomness in the model. Uncertainty methods: predictive variance, the diagonal elements of the predictive covariance matrix, which quantify the uncertainty in the predictions. Challenges and fixes: challenge 1, overfitting. If the noise level is set too low, the model may overfit to the training data, leading to poor generalization performance. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a GP model with a white kernel and a low noise level is trained on a noisy dataset. The model fits the noise very well but fails to capture the underlying trend in the data. Fixes to challenge 1: increase the noise level. This will make the model less sensitive to noise and improve its ability to generalize. Regularization: use regularization techniques like L1 or L2 regularization to prevent overfitting. Challenge 2: underfitting. If the noise level is set too high, the model may underfit the data, failing to capture any meaningful patterns. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: a GP model with a white kernel and a high noise level is trained on a dataset with a clear trend. The model fails to learn the trend, resulting in predictions that are essentially random. Fixes to challenge 2: decrease the noise level. This will make the model more sensitive to patterns in the data. Use a different kernel. Consider using a different kernel, such as the RBF kernel, that is better suited for capturing trends in the data.